Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I decided to do glass nails. I've been seeing these a lot on my For You page and I wanted to try them. This set was very easy to do and it took me no time to do. There's a couple of ways that I've seen these nails done, and the easiest way that I've seen them is by doing gel X. So that is what I decided to do. So right here I'm just applying the nails, and I've done this a bunch of times, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch.
Keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that Somebody say that a love like that won't last. Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby?
So I feel like this is where I kind of messed up. I decided to use builder gel, and I did kind of struggle when I was doing the reverse French on the nails. I feel like I should have used regular gel polish, and it would have been a little bit easier for me. So if I do ever want to do these nails again, I definitely will be using regular gel polish next time.
My love, I keep crying, I keep trying for you. I keep crying, I keep trying for you. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you keep trying for you. Hey. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I needed to file some of the nails because I made some of them a little too thick on the sides and I didn't want to leave it like that, so I decided to file them.
I want you around, around.
Now I am taking my top coat, and this is basically the last step. Like I said, these nails were very easy to do, and before I took my top coat though, I did make sure to take a lint-free wipe, and I used some alcohol and I just wiped the whole entire nail down with it to make sure that I got rid of any lint. And now I'm taking some top coat, and I am top coating the underside of the nails because I wanted to make these nails as clear as possible. And then I'm going to top coat the top of the front of the nails as well.
How I feel about you, you wish away. We do what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
This is how the nails turned out. Like I said, there were a lot of different ways you could do these nails. This was just the easier and fastest way to do them. Let me know what you guys think about these nails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.